posting for a while now, so I felt it was time to properly introduce myself and the purpose behind the channel. As a graphic designer, you know that strategy and process are the foundation of creating great design. That's where this channel comes in, where I specialize in educating other designers on these essential elements of design, including graphic design skills, process, and strategy. You'll also get to see bits and pieces of my life as a designer, and we can build a community of designers together. My channel is dedicated to providing you with insightful and actionable content that will help you take your design skills to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, my videos will give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in this competitive field. As an expert graphic designer and educator, I will share my expertise and experience with you, covering a range of topics from branding and typography to user experience and interface design. I'll also share tips and tricks to streamline your workflow, manage client expectations, and stay up to date with the latest design trends. But more than anything, I am going to learn right alongside you as we navigate the ever-changing graphic design industry together. I am excited to share experiences amongst one another and truly create a community with you. I've started this YouTube channel because I am passionate about empowering other graphic designers and business owners and sharing what I love with the world. I truly hope with this channel I can help just one graphic designer feel empowered to express their creativity, and I hope that designer is you. So if you're ready to take your design skills to the next level and you're ready to have a community doing it alongside you, you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to help you achieve your design goals.